So hi folks, I am kind of reorganizing my ExiArts space. It's a bit chaotic, but I wanted to refresh the top of this old scarf. I mean this old furniture. It's extremely old. It's from the communism times of Bulgaria, but my brother and I also agreed with him. He wanted to save this as it is, as these are extremely memorable things from our from our kids' ears with me and my brother. And we have here like the Turtles Ninjas, and this is the Terminator movie. We have this is about the winter resort nearby our town, Pamporovo, but this is old kind of also some other old things. Well, I want to refresh the top, but I'm not gonna touch the down there because my brother wants, especially him, he wants to save this as it is. But this is one of my spaces where I put my instruments, and with some acrylic paints and a little bit of PVA glue in the paint, I will make a second coating later on. And just wanted to show to you what I'm doing it now. A short update. You can see my balcony. About now, the Eco House project will be a little bit in pause. I'm looking for a job now in Bulgaria for some construction sites. I got a call today. Probably these guys will call me again to talk furthermore, to agree on the construction site. But anyway, this update is mainly about what I do and preparing for crafting summer in ExiArts, as I have to urgently do something about my website because it's dead traffic. And I'm gonna be making live sale on TikTok in a couple of days. I'm organizing about it. Everything that I have already, like these things, like miniatures, art, other crafts and journals I have here, ready journals, sketchbooks, wooden boxes and a lot of more will be on sale because I have indebted 4,200 euro debt to my government. The last four years ExiArts is working on a loss yearly, and I'm gonna be making special announcement about that, a call to action video, posting it everywhere I can, sending it to the email marketing of my customers from the website, the ones who subscribe to the email marketing. And it's going to be crazy because I need to do something urgently. I'm gonna ask people online for help to spread this message, this future video. I'm gonna talk about more about this more and later on. Now back to work. Thanks for watching, folks.